Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm at Gettysburg Elementary School in Clovis, California, home of the Generals. My first time getting to visit here. And it was just an amazing morning with all the students and staff. We had two separate presentations. The first, grades 1 through 3, the second, grades 4 through 6. And the main focus on today's assembly, the two presentations, was on bullying, looking at someone's heart first, right? That we were able to see someone for this first, our heart as big as our fist before anything else, just like you would see your best friend. And if we can let love fully enter into here, we can turn this into this, right? Peace sign, one finger is ourself. The other is someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourself, right? But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, one word, one action, one heartbeat, one breath, we can say something so kind, it stays on someone's heart in a positive way for the rest of their life. Or in 2 seconds, conversely, we can say something so negative that it stays on someone's heart in a very destructive way for the rest of their life. So we always have this choice. And for students to understand this, to really get it in their heart, there were some tears too, some teachers as well. It's very inspiring for me because I know that some healing is starting to happen. And that ties into another concept that I bring up in this particular presentation, which was that we know the main reason for bullying is that hurt people, that if we're hurt, the easy thing to do is go hurt someone else. The hard thing to do is to forgive, and that's the right thing to do. But we can turn hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people if we can let that love fully enter our heart and then start to shine, like the stars that they are, the star logo at least here at Gettysburg Elementary. Another really important theme that I try to hammer home with this particular topic is the fact that all of us are true miracles. We need to be able to see ourselves as this, but also others around us. So all of us with the lines on our hand, I trace one of mine here, have the letter M. We have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it, like the front of my shirt. That M stands for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, that we are beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into this concept, it's up to us to go and spread that love, that joy, that peace all around us. And be able to, really look past any outside differences that might hinder us from truly getting to know somebody for the inside. And to know that sometimes we do need to open our heart a little bit more, and that kindness doesn't mean that you're being weak. It just means that you are having this courage and strength to do the thing that's not the most common thing to do, to do the uncommon thing, and to be able to stand up for someone that has no voice or a small voice, to be able to risk getting bullied yourself or judged yourself or embarrassed yourself to include someone else that otherwise would never be included. That's beautiful. And we know that if we have that power, right, in just 2 seconds to uplift or destroy, hopefully we're going to choose the former, right? Because this world needs more people that are showing that peace. This world needs more kindness, and it needs more love. So thank you everyone for touching my heart today. It was just another amazing opportunity to really get to see our young people pick up the torch, that they want to go and make a difference even at a young age. That's amazing. Really, really motivates me to keep doing what I'm doing. But as always, have a great rest of the school year and hope to see you all again soon. Until then though, you can hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And you can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.